Hi, Junk Journaling friends. This is Lauren with Shabby Chic Sunday. Today, I'm just going to do a unboxing video from Your Creative Studio. So all I have done is opened up the sides of the box. I haven't looked through anything yet because I thought we could do it together. So let's see what we have in here. Okay, little thank you card. I love this paper already. I want to open this as carefully as I can. I want to save this paper. Ooh, look at all these goodies. Okay, let's go ahead and dump this in here. There we go. Okay, let's see what we have. So it looks like this might be some washi tape. Aw, you see that? So everything in this kit is Bumblebee theme. So I'll do an unboxing here on this video, and then I'll show you something that I make with it in another video. Let's see what's in this one. Stamps. Okay, let's see what we have. It's upside down. Okay, a little jar of honey. Oh my gosh, these are so precious. Some bees, some more jam, or sorry, I'm thinking of peanut butter and jelly sandwich that I just made for my kids. Some honey. Okay, cling stamp. I should have had my little pen knife out so I could open these more delicately. Doing a terrible job. And that is beautiful. So again, this is all from Your Creative Studio. And I feel so badly. They sent me this box a long time ago. And I am just now posting this video today. So shame on me. I should have done that much sooner. And so I apologize. Wow, there's so many beautiful pictures in here. What a treasure. Look at how thick that is. Beautiful. This is gorgeous. That is so pretty. Anyway, so let's get a little... Where's one of my X-Acto knives? Of course, I don't have one anywhere near me. Okay, we'll come back to this. Oh, look at how precious this is. Look at that charm. Oh, I'm so excited to do a bee theme. So anyway, yeah, my bad. I felt absolutely terrible. I should have done this so long ago. So thank you so much for sending me this package, and I apologize that it is so late. Look how pretty. It is, let's see, 4 degrees outside right now. And so I'm really excited to be looking through this because it's making me have all the spring and summer vibes. Some stickers. They say be happy. Oh, this is going to be a beautiful book. Okay, let's see what's in this one. Oh, look at those papers. It's gorgeous. It's definitely giving me some inspiration to do a Bumblebee theme to kick off the spring season. Little post-it notes, little stick-it notes. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, so this is their large paper ephemera pack. Wow, look at these. Oh, this is even beautiful. This is just the backing, but that is gorgeous in itself. And look at all these papers. Oh, they're so beautiful. I like that one a lot. So, if you are interested in taking a look at their kits that they send out every month, I will leave some information in my description box below for you to take a look. They're very generous kits, and as you can see, everything that's included is absolutely beautiful. This was the only one that I couldn't get open. Let me see if I can just use this little pick here to should have had my tools prepared. There we go. Okay. Small pieces of ephemera. Let's see what's inside. Look at all of those. Butterflies. There's just such a variety. It's a very generous kit. Very generous. Okay, so like I said, I will leave all the information if you're interested in checking them out in the description box. And then I'll be back again with another video to show you some goodies that I can create with this. Thank you.